Hi everybody, Nathan Bonds here again, and this is your Polaris MEP Lean Tip of the Week. So this week, the components of war or work. So lean at its core is all about the relentless pursuit of finding and eliminating the 8 waste. But to strategize against that enemy, I love what Sun Tzu, the author of Art of War, wrote. So if you know yourself and you know your enemy, then you need not fear the loss of any battle, of 100 battles. If you know yourself, but not your enemy, for every victory won, you will suffer a defeat. But if you don't know yourself and you don't know your enemy, you will succumb to every battle. I don't want you to lose one battle. Check this out. So what are the components of work? So there's 3 of those. So we're looking at this circle here, and right here is actual work. These are things that the customer is willing to pay for. So those are obviously, I distribute, I mix, I assemble. I want to do that. And secondly, it's waste. These are the 8 wastes. If you want to know more about them, go to one of my other videos. And then lastly, this is the auxiliary work. So what is auxiliary work? These are things that have to happen. The customer's not willing to pay for it. Do you have to set up? Do you have to clean up? Do you have to put that pizza on the tray or in a box? What do you have to do? Do you have to put a certification on it? Those things. So this is what we want to do. We want to make things right here. We want to write them down, all of those steps in actual work. We want to find out about these and say, come on, let's get rid of the waste. And we want to make the auxiliary work as we're writing it down. Can I do more of this in here? And those are the components of work. And you know what? If you're relentlessly pursuing getting rid of the waste, focusing on doing more of your actual work, implementing the auxiliary in the actual work, you're going to know your enemy. You're going to know yourself. And you will not need to understand or worry about the loss of 100 battles. Guess what? That was your Polaris MEP Lean Tip of the Week. Until next week, bye.